Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Let's get started. So for this recipe, you need 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of sugar. Realize I didn't make my cup full because I didn't want it to be really sweet. A teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of yeast, a teaspoon of milk powder. But being the sweet tooth that I am, I need 2 teaspoons. So making a tablespoon of milk powder, a teaspoon of vanilla essence. You can use any flavor of choice. Now go ahead and mix this thoroughly. So this recipe is from Hilda Baci's Home to Pro class, online class, which I'm a part of. I'm proud student, I must say. For this recipe, go ahead and add 2 cups of water. So for some reason, 2 cups of water made my mixture a bit too light. So how do I put it? Making the balls became quite difficult. So when adding the water, mix to your desired preference, so that when making the balls, it will be easier for you to make the shapes. After mixing, cover this up and let it sit for about 15 minutes for it to rise. Now let's get frying. So you see what I was talking about? I think my mixture was too loose, so making the balls was quite difficult for me. But hey, for some reason, it turned out badly. Once you put the dough or the mixture in the oil, keep stirring. Puff is going to go puff puff, and we call it fruits. Turn it, in order for it not to burn. Second batch went in. I was getting better at it. For a first time, I must say I'm proud of myself, and I didn't do that. You should try this at home. Hey, if I was able to do it, I'm sure you would also do it. Et voila, it's ready. It looks like a cartoon character. And I enjoy this with some. Or if you're a fan of fruit or puff, it's very nice. Now, if you want to try this recipe and you don't have all-purpose flour, I have a video on how to make all-purpose flour. Do check it out. As always, thanks for watching.